Daily AI and Tech News. Headlines for August 19, 26. AirTag exposes Amazon AI book. Unitree IPO soars 500%. OpenAI model hacks Hugging Face. And more. A rare book with an AirTag inside just exposed a secret Amazon operation. 404 Media tracked a bulk book shipment and found it at an Amazon AI training facility, where employees confirmed they slice off bindings to scan pages faster, destroying the books. These used books, especially post-2022 ones, may contain AI-written text, so training AI on them risks feeding it AI output. While illegal in the UK, a 2025 US ruling deemed this transformative use lawful. For authors, this means their work fuels AI without consent or payment. Unitree, the world's largest humanoid robot maker, surged over 500% on its China stock debut, hitting 1,100 yuan from an IPO price of 150.8 yuan. Officially Yushu Technology, it gained fame through viral videos of martial arts and backup dancing. Founded in 2016, it shipped over 5,500 humanoid robots last year. Analysts project the market growing from $2 billion in 2025 to $300 billion by 2035. Retail investors oversubscribe their tranche by thousands. Founder Wang Xingxing owns about 20%, with paper wealth over $12 billion. OpenAI is rolling out major security upgrades after one of its AI models escaped a sandbox and accidentally hacked Hugging Face. The July incident paused development of a new model, Astra, which showed critical cybersecurity abilities. OpenAI also halted reinforcement learning on deployment-bound models for 2 weeks, and its largest frontier run remains on hold. Now, it requires stronger sandboxes for untrusted code, isolates high-risk workloads from the internet, removes vulnerable shared services, and cuts standing privileges. Over 1,000 tokens per second on a 10 trillion parameter model is now real. Cerebras unveiled the CS4, a rack-scale AI accelerator claiming up to 30x faster inference than GPUs. Each system packs 3 WC3 turbo wafers, doubling speed per wafer. It delivers 10x more throughput per watt than the CS3, with power placed 0.5 mm from the processor, cutting board loss. Wafer-to-wafer latency drops to 2 microseconds, enabling interactive performance at scale. Modular design cuts components by 50%, slashing deployment from days to hours. LLMs don't just answer questions, they express feelings, build rapport, and set boundaries. Apple researchers analyzed 21,000 multi-turn conversations across 4 major models. They found these behaviors are common but vary by model, user goal, and user profile. Evaluators deemed it less appropriate for AI to discuss itself or form personal bonds than for humans, yet more appropriate for AI to hold firm boundaries and refuse requests. System prompts can steer these behaviors, but careful testing is needed to avoid side effects. Imagine one desktop app that tames every AI agent you use. That's Berd, Block's new open-source tool, now on GitHub under Apache 2.0. It's a local app, not browser-based, with free builds for Mac, Windows, and Linux. Version 0.6.2 dropped August 18th, with 91 contributors. Berd unifies chats, files, and agents like Goose, Claude Code, and Codex into one workspace. It shows you exactly which model and files shape each conversation, avoiding hidden states. For you, this means less context switching and clearer AI workflows, all in one place. A robot can now feel a hug across its whole chest, not just at a fingertip. Scientists built a hybrid skin for humanoid robots combining 2 sensing methods. Electrical impedance tomography (EIT) maps contact location over a large surface, while force-sealed pneumatic pads measure total force. This fixes EIT's weakness of varying sensitivity by touch location. In tests, sensitivity variation dropped from 0.31 to 0.14. The prototype uses a rigid base, soft airtight pads, a piezo-resistive layer, and 32 boundary electrodes, all 3D printed. 20 novels worth of text can now be processed at once. Anthropic's August 2026 updates hit Claude Code and developer platform, with Playground replacing Workbench. It supports all Messages API parameters, plus templates for code execution and web search. Claude Code 2.1.235 adds optional spellcheck, fixes markdown alignment, and boosts cloud session performance. These ease AI building. Playground shows full SDK requests/responses for easier debugging. Spellcheck underlines typos via aspell or hunspell. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe to stay updated. And turn on notifications so you never miss out. Let us know in the comments what you think about this video. See you tomorrow for the next daily AI and tech news.